Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Low Carb with Jennifer. Today I want to tell you my favorite way to make bacon in the oven. It's the only way that I ever make bacon, and I have a trick. It keeps the bacon from splattering in the oven. So let's get started. To line my pan with foil, but if you are a conservationist, you don't have to do this. So I line the pan with foil, and then we're just going to lay the bacon on top. So the bacon I use is this Wright brand. It's thick cut bacon, and it takes about 30 minutes to cook to bake in the oven, but if you have thinner bacon, it's not going to take quite as long. I'm just going to lay the bacon out onto the pan. So you want to make sure that you put it all, so you really don't want it to touch, because then they'll stick together, but you want them to all be in a flat layer on top of the foil in the pan. And my secret to not having a splattered oven are these Reynolds baking sheets. So I like to cover my bacon with this parchment paper. They're pre-cut baking sheets. This is not sponsored or anything. I just really like to do this so it doesn't splatter in my oven. And I've been doing this for several months and my oven is still pretty clean. So we're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees, and we'll watch it, but it takes about 20 to 30 minutes. And here is our perfectly cooked bacon. And now I'm just going to drain it onto paper towels. So here it is, the crispy bacon, and my oven is still clean. If you like this trick where you use the parchment paper, great. If you don't and you just want to use foil, or if you don't want to use foil, you can just bake it in the oven at 350 degrees and it'll come out perfect, but it will splatter in your oven. But it keeps the splatter off of your stovetop. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe below. And in the comments, let me know what other videos you'd like for me to do. But that's all for now, and see you later.